There it goes, $24,000. So apparently we had a power surge. Burn all these lights, burn the fans, welders, the paint booth motor, the motherboard, the AC. Center Point, I'm coming after you, bitch. Welcome to Imperial TV. Roberto, mamámela de aquí. I'm fucking with him. Oh my god. What a morning to start off with. It's gonna be okay though. A few vitamins, and it'll be okay. It's like vitamins with Red Bull, yeah. Vitamins with Red Bull. Going to the same hall, producing the same energy. Fuck.
Good music, good music.
Let's knock this shit out. Come on. So today we're gonna be doing the stack film, windshield protection film on top of the a brand new windshield that we just installed yesterday on this bad boy. The reason why I highly recommend to put the windshield protection film on top of brand new windshield is because there is no pigments, no fish eyes, no blemishes, no rock chips. So once you apply the film, it lays down like you will never see it ever again. So it will look like it doesn't have it, and it will protect it. What are you doing?
You like my shalong?
I love that shalong. So this is spec. Nice. Shit is heavy! Roberto Hamad. Roberto Hamad. So this is Aviator Performance pretty much custom built, hand welded, stainless steel, super light. Let's see what kind of performance it's gonna give us, shall we? Here we go. Super easy to fit. So that means it's been replaced. Only Butch can tell why. Because my work pretty invisible. Hi baby.
What's up with it?
Welcome to Imperial TV.
Man, I miss you guys.
Yeah bro, me too.
How are you,
man.
Alex?
Good, how are you?
Fine, here.
Good.
Checking your exhaust.
You ready?
Man, I wish I was over there. See what you got going on.
You ready bro?
I know.
I see it. Oh, shit.
Satisfied?
Oh yeah, it's pretty loud though. Pretty cool though. Look how hard that is. Tonight we are having a dinner with a special guest, a special person that I met. Apparently I know him for a while, fixed his Ferrari before, but then we started a good connection together. You probably guys already met him, the same guy, PK from California, Pebble Beach. So stay tuned for tonight's dinner, and it's gonna be at Gaucho's. I haven't been to Gaucho's for a while, so it's time. I was there last night. All right, fuck it. I'll just say it. Yes, I love Gaucho's. Why you have to do this for me? Basically riding this 2020 Mercedes C63 AMG. Apparently the guy lost control as soon as another car collided to him and pushed him. So he went over a little curb and busted his oil pan, busted his rack and pinion, the gearbox for the steering. This rack and pinion by itself, it's about $21.20. That adds up to the repair value. So the engine is already locked because when the vehicle hit the curb, there was some stuff, or like maybe some heavy metal in that area, so it kind of punctured the oil pan. So now the engine is locked. What does that mean is, in order for us to get an engine, it'll have to be a brand new engine due to how low miles this guy has. It's only like 10,000 miles. So let's go with a brand new engine. A brand new engine costs the same amount as what the car cost. The car is worth $80,000. The engine by itself, it's worth $82,540 plus labor. So crazy, huh? I need to get paid for the assessment for me writing it up. So I usually charge about $1,000 of assessment of the damage. You know, to get the prices of the parts, what's damaged and all that, and get a full, thorough numbers. That way they can make a decision. If you see right here, it says 85% threshold, which means it's already right now at $54,000 without putting the price of the engine. I put it on here without adding it to this number, just to show them like, hey, maybe if you guys do want to save it, there's another alternative. Maybe we can find a low, like something that's similar to the miles or lower, for maybe 60,000 or 50,000. But let it be their decision, not my decision. I'm good with that. Whether they fix it, it's good for me. They total it, it's still good for me because I'm not wasting time. Oh my god. I'm hungry though. You hungry? Let me take the cars out. Let me open the gate. I have so much to do.
Business first.
I gotta make the money so I can make it rain. What's up guys again? We're here in the office with Dustin from Skinny Skull. That's Spa and Clear Lake. He's a great client of mine. I've helped him a lot on his vehicles. And today is the day where he wants to show me what he's capable of. So he can make me look way younger than what I am right now, which is cool.
21.
What you got?
21, right?
Yep. I'm 38, about to be 21, so I'm ready for it. What are we doing here?
We're gonna do a little Botox to help relax that forehead.
All right. My boy Dustin is gonna do He's gonna do some bro talks for me.
There you go, some Botox.
All right, let's do it. Does massaging the face will it help? Or
No, just let it settle. No naps. Don't go to the gym right now. That's it.
I don't even work out, but no naps, like sleep.
Yeah, like don't take a nap for 4 hours.
4 hours? Oh, that's cool. Yeah, percent. Probably it's gonna take me about 4 o'clock in the morning to go to sleep, but yeah. What about McLovin, like exercising?
Yeah, you can do that.
I can do that.
Yeah.
Perfect. Perfect. After 4 hours, or I can just go over now upstairs.
You can go right now if you want
and
to.
accept a payment method. I'm just kidding.
Okay, can we go for the penis?
It's coming. I'm gonna find somebody for that.
Okay.
For the penis enhancement.
Yeah. Stay tuned after this commercial. So, a new plan. Let's go put it right here. Alrighty. Alright. So this is 59. This is Green Ridge Drive. And this is Ferrari Houston. And this is the new motherfucking Imperial. Coming up very soon. They say rev up your lifestyle. Now we're about to rev it up 100%, 110%, 120%, 130%. We're going up. We're leveling it up. We're doing another location off of 59 between Fountain View and West Park, right next door to Ferrari Houston. So that's gonna be super badass, super dope. More exciting things coming up. As far as like the build out, doing the driveway, doing the showroom, doing the offices, doing the lifts, fan booth, expanding the workspaces and the work areas for all the wet sand prepping, painting, buffing, car wash, doing all the PPF, tinting, ceramic coating, doing all the bodywork, framing, and doing all the mechanical work also as well. And on top of that, we'll have our own showroom floor. Possibly we're looking into maybe getting somebody to come on board to have maybe a boutique store for either Koenigsegg or Pagani or somebody that's willing to go ahead and give us the opportunity to be part of their legacy. Again, it's gonna be next to Ferrari Houston. We got Imperial. We're here to work together. We're gonna have a good time. New legacy. New location.
Beautiful.
We're blessed.